Okay, can I start?
Yeah, ready when you are. It can be cut.
Hello guys, today I'm going to show you my favorite Aeropress recipe, and that's how I start. So I will start with grinding my coffee. I used 25 clicks on the Commandante Grinder. So I already pre-measured 20 grams of coffee. I already preheated my water to 85 degrees. Now I will pre-wet my filters. I always use double filters. I will pour 150 grams of water. Stir 10 times to the right and 10 times to the left. Wait until 1 minute and 5 seconds and press it. And don't press it down. Should be around 125 grams. And I will bypass 50 grams. And that was my Aeropress recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye.